go ahead and invest in some good quality skincare, because your skin is one of the largest organs on your body and it does represent you for a very long time. So why not take care of it? Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in this video, you guys, we are going to be getting unready. And if you guys want to know all the details on this makeup look or on this hair, definitely make sure that you check out the description box down below, because I will have both of those videos linked to this one as well. But this video, we are diving into some new skincare products from Mary Kay, you guys, and I'm just super duper excited to just share them with you all. So the first thing that I'm actually going to do is remove my makeup. And I'm going to be using the Mary Kay Micellar water. It's like a pre-cleanse, so I like to use this before I actually go in with my makeup remover to remove my makeup. Alright y'all, so to remove my eye makeup and then whatever is left on my skin, I am going to go in with the Mary Kay oil-free makeup remover. And as you guys can see, I've been loving this product. That's why I went in with my micellar water first, because I'm trying to hold on to it, sis, okay? And the thing that I like about this eye makeup remover, it's a 2-in-1 remover. So you use it just out of the bottle like it is to remove your eye makeup, and then you shake it up and you're able to take off the rest of your makeup. I really do like this product for removing my eye makeup, just because the eyes are very sensitive, and I feel like I'm able to just wipe this product all around my eyes and I don't have any irritation, and it literally takes off everything in one swipe. So now I'm gonna shake it up, and as you can see, it suds up nice and foamy. And I'm just going to take another cotton round to remove any makeup that might be still left on my skin. Alright y'all, so now it's time to cleanse my skin, and I'm going to be using the Mary Kay 4-in-1 Timewise 3D cleanser. This is the brand new 3D set, you guys. I am using the combination to oily Timewise 3D set. Alright you guys, so the reason why this is a 4-in-1 cleanser is because it's going to cleanse the skin, exfoliate, and tone all in one step, as well as help remove any layers of dead skin as well. So it has a built-in exfoliator in it, so that way you don't have to have multiple different products. So normally you have a cleanser, a toner, an exfoliator too. So you get all of those products in this one product, which is one thing that I love about this system. It's 3 easy steps. So we're going to first cleanse, and you guys, tonight I'm actually using my hands, so I'm definitely going to make sure that I wash them first, so that way I am not transferring any bacteria on my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands first, and then we're going to get into the cleansing process. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and apply about a quarter size of the cleanser on my fingertips. And I like how it has those little beads in there. That is the patented Timewise 3D complex, you guys. So with the Timewise set, and I'm actually going to put a little bit of water on my hands as well. Okay. So for those of you all that are just, aren't really into a skincare regimen, I definitely would encourage you to really get yourself a skincare routine and use all products from the same line. And the reason why I say that is because you get products that are made together, they work better together. But you guys, since I have been in cosmetology school and also being a Mary Kay independent beauty consultant, I've learned so much about my skin and just how to better take care of my skin. Before I went to beauty school, or before I got my license and before I became a beauty consultant, honestly you guys, I had just would wash my face with a cleanser and that was it. Sometimes I would moisturize, not all the time. So I definitely have a more well put together skincare routine now, and it definitely does change depending on the season. So I do like to moisturize a whole lot more in the fall and winter seasons than I do in the summertime. Even though I am combination to oily, the reason why I like to moisturize is so that way I can make sure my skin is not overproducing oils. So anyways, back to this Timewise cleanser, you guys. So it does have the patented Timewise 3D complex, which is age-defying peptide, vitamin B3, and encapsulated resveratrol. So all of those nice ingredients will help with the premature skin project. All of those wonderful ingredients will help defend against premature skin aging. And I know you guys are probably wondering, well, Ashley, why are you using a skin care product for aging and you're only 20 something? Because you guys, I want to start early, okay? The earlier the better, but I definitely would suggest if you are in your 20s, go ahead and invest in some good quality skincare, because your skin is one of the largest organs on your body and it does represent you for a very long time, so why not take care of it? And honestly you guys, before I started using these skincare products, I really didn't think much about a skincare system, because I was just like, well, and especially when it comes to aging and other things, I just thought, that's just a normal thing that we're going to go through. I don't really need to worry about taking care of it. But honestly, you guys, and statistically speaking too, 80% of what affects our skin, not just aging, but just other things like discoloration, wrinkles, 80% of that does come from external factors. So we have internal or intrinsic factors on the inside, like our hormones and age, for example, genetics, those things that impact our skin, as well as external or extrinsic factors, which are the environment, pollution, stress, diet, things like that, those outside things. So those things actually impact our skin more than those internal factors. So we really can help defend those things with a skincare system. So that's one reason why I have been trying to take better care of my skin, and I have been seeing an improvement in just my skin's overall look by using these products and just sticking to a system as well. So bam, we are nice and squeaky clean now after using the cleanser. And I like how gentle it is too. Like, I have used some other cleansers in the past that had just left my skin feeling so dry. I just stopped using them. I wasn't consistent with it. So that's one thing that I do like about the Timewise 3D cleanser. It's very moisturizing at the same time. So it doesn't feel like it strips my skin of any natural oils at all. I feel nice and clean, but not drying, which is one thing that I do love about that. And in 4 weeks of actually using this product, you will start to see, if you do have wrinkles, less visible lines, and increased firmness in your skin, more radiance, added hydration, just an overall improvement and better overall appearance of your skin, which I can say I have been getting lots of compliments on my skin since using the Mary Kay products, and I have been using them for the last 2 years. I haven't put anything else honestly on my skin, you guys, so I definitely can say I've been enjoying them. So next, after we have cleansed the skin, since it is nighttime, we're actually going to use our recovery product, then we're going to hydrate. So if it was morning, we would do our cleanser first, then we would follow it with our moisturizer and then our SPF or our daytime defender. But since it's nighttime, we're actually going to go with our recovery product. So during the night, your skin and your cells they go into overload so they can help rejuvenate your body and your skin. So this recovery product is going to help reveal skin that looks well rested in the morning. It's also going to help you feel more renewed. And it also does have that Timewise 3D complex in it as well. So all of the products in the new Timewise system have that Timewise 3D complex system in it. So you're getting an extra double boost of that vitamin B3, age-defying peptide, and encapsulated Virtutrol as well. And just look at those beads. Like, I just love seeing the ingredients in the products. I love that so much when it comes to these products. So collagen actually depletes when you age. So beginning in your 20s, hey, that's why we're starting now. You produce approximately 1% less of collagen in your skin every year after year. So by supporting your skin's natural collagen, you're reinforcing one of its main building blocks to help keep your skin plump and resilient, y'all. And I'm just looking at my notes, y'all. So yes, so this is another reason why you want to get on your P's and Q's, sis, when it comes to taking care of your skin, because you start early, you won't have no regrets later. And I like to use 2 pumps of the nighttime recovery. Sometimes I may do 3 if I'm just feeling a little bit extra. But a little bit of this product definitely does go a long way. And I just like to spread it evenly on my fingers and then rub it in using circular upward motions. I like to do upward circular motions. We do not want to go downward. We do not want to give gravity any help with creating any wrinkles on the skin. And I just like how that easily absorbs into my skin. Again, being an oily girl, I always am a little self-conscious of using multiple products because I'm just like, I don't want to be oily. But with these products in this system, it absorbs just like that. And we ready to move on to the next one. All right, y'all, so we have cleansed the skin with the 4-in-1 cleanser. We have applied our recovery with the nighttime recovery to help our skin do what it needs to do overnight. And now I'm going to hydrate. Now I'm gonna hydrate with the Timewise Moisturizer. And again, I just can't stress it enough, you guys, because being oily, I would never really want to moisturize. Like, I just would skip that process. And I noticed for me with my skin in the cooler months, cooler seasons, I tend to get really dry around the mouth and the nose, and it will flake up really bad if I don't moisturize. So I definitely make sure I go extra with the moisturizer around those areas, and then I just spread it out throughout the rest of my face, over the rest of my face. So I'll go heavy around my nose and my lip area, and then I just spread the remainder of the product all over my face. And voila, just like that, we are ready for bed, you guys, with that simple, quick and easy 3-step process. And I cannot forget about the eyes. So the new Timewise set, it does have an eye cream that you can get as well. I'm still holding on to my old one, but with the eye cream, your eyes are one of the first places that does begin to show your aging. So I definitely got to stay on top of that. And I like to apply my eye cream with my ring finger just because it has one less tendon in it than the rest of your fingers. So it's going to apply a whole lot less pressure than your other fingers. And I just like to take that one pea-size amount and I like to spread that out. And I like to apply my eye cream on the top of my lid as well as under the eye. And the eye cream is very absorbent too. So if like you wanted to apply makeup afterwards, you would be able to because it quickly absorbs into the skin. So I just like to apply my eye cream underneath the eye, around it, and on top. And again, we want to use our ring finger because it's going to apply a whole lot less pressure. The skin around our eyes is very, very delicate, so that's why you want to use your ring finger when you're applying your eye cream products. Alright y'all, now we're ready to go ahead and wind down for bed. So you guys, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this quick and easy get unready with me featuring the Timewise 3D Miracle Set from Mary Kay. I really have been enjoying using this system. I've been using the new system for about a month, and I've just fell in love with the product all over again. Like I said, I've been using these products for 2 years, y'all, and I haven't put them down yet. Like, I'm not switching up on my skincare, period. But I definitely would suggest you guys, if you have not got into a skincare routine, please definitely, do your research, find a system that works for you. If you want to, learn more about these products that I have featured in this video, definitely drop me a comment down below or shoot me an email. I would definitely love to get some samples out to you if you would like to try this out for yourself, or of course contact your local independent beauty consultant as well. And you guys already know what to do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below, what things are you using in your current skincare routine or nighttime routine? I definitely want to, know what you guys are doing in the comments. Let's start up a conversation, sis, okay? And as always, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.